Wednesday, Thursday, dancing through the week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday fun we always seek. Friday comes with a big hooray. Saturday, it's time to play. Sunday rests and waves goodbye. Then Monday's here and we reach the sky. Monday, Monday on the go. Tuesday, Tuesday nice and slow. Wednesday's busy moving fast. Thursday's here, the week won't last. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, spinning round we go. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, let's put on a show. Monday, Tuesday, climb the hill. Wednesday, Thursday, fit the bill. Friday's dancing, spinning round. Saturday's the best in town. Sunday, Sunday, rest and cheer. The week's complete, let's sing it clear. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we'll be back again next year.